how to know the value of Steam inventory. So if you want to know the value of Steam inventory, then first you need to just open up your Steam and log into your account. Now you need to go with the profile name and click on profile. Once you click on profile, now here on the right side you will have edit profile. Click on it. Now you need to just simply go with your Steam ID. If you've not set your ID, then you can enter your custom URL, or your profile will be available at this, which is right here. This is your Steam ID. So you just need simply copy the Steam ID. Once you copied your Steam ID, you need to go back to your profile, go with edit profile, and here you need to go with privacy settings, and you need to select your profile to a public account. Now you need to go with your browser, and then you need to search for steam.tools, and here you need to scroll down and go with item value sorter. Now here you need to enter your Steam ID and then go with fetch, and here you will have all of the items or the inventory that you have on your account. This usually contains all the game cards. If you want to view other items, then you can just simply select the appropriate icon and click on the fetch again. In this way, you'll be able to know your value of your Steam inventory. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.